Hello, once again, this is Antonio, and I'm coming at you with another exciting video. Judge Hayward has a heart-to-heart with a young mom. As she pleads with the young mom, please stop having babies. Sometimes people got to understand it. People show up for the baby shower. People show up for the gender reveal. Now, I'm a little older. When I was growing up, there was no such thing as a gender reveal. I mean, you got the paper and you told everybody what you were having, and everybody were happy and they knew what to buy. Now you got to show up for a gender reveal and buy gifts. Then you got to show up to the baby shower and buy gifts. But after your child turns one, I can guarantee you, you're not going to have nobody to show up on your behalf. I don't care who you are or what you think. They're your baby. Nobody's babysitting. Is going to help you. Like the song say, I'm stuck. We're stuck on you or stuck with you or whatever. But nevertheless, let's dive into the content. Stop having babies. Get married. Marriage is becoming an extinct practice nowadays. People don't trust each other, but they are giving each other the greatest gift, and that's life. Let's go.
Hey, Miss McKnight.
Yeah.
How you doing, Miss?
Oh, yeah. Just like I'm gonna keep it real, like I always have. I did my part by getting into class, but it was just the way she was just talking to me and treating me. Like some days I might miss my classes, but then I still pay and I still take my classes. Like I have children that's not in my custody, so I don't have control of when I have to do my visitation. I don't. But what I'm trying to say is that I came up with a plan, and I'm working on it now. And the plan is, Your Honor, is for me to enroll into another program. My baby daddy, he's been helping so far. But what I'm going to do as a woman and keep my word is do what I'm told to do.
Are you taking your meds, Miss McKnight?
Oh, you know I'm pregnant. I can't do all that.
Miss McKnight, you got to stop getting pregnant, ma'am. I know that's not a thing that people supposed to say, but you keep bringing kids into this world and you can't take care of them. Please stop.
Well,
it's like every year I see you, you got 2 kids. Miss McKnight, this is not fair to these babies. You keep having, what are we on, number 8 now?
No.
7?
Yeah.
Miss McKnight, you know you can have sex without having a baby, right? They got stuff for that.
Yeah.
You can use contraception and not have a baby. You can't take care of no kids because you can't take care of yourself.
Yeah, here's the thing.
No, here's the thing. We've been doing this I've been on the bench 11 years. 7 of those I've been in state court. I've been seeing you all 7 of those years that I've been on state court. And every time I see you, you pregnant.
This is
every single time.
This is it, yeah.
No, this is what is wrong is you keep bringing babies that you're not taking care of. Stop.
Yes, ma'am.
And every one of them, you got a baby daddy who don't help you with these babies.
Yeah.
Is this still Tony or is this somebody else? Don't tell me you done had another baby with Tony.
No.
Miss McKnight, I know your situation.
I know.
And with your illness, you gotta stop having babies and bringing these babies into the world and then not taking care of them. You love being pregnant. You love having babies, but then these babies gotta go somewhere. And I know whoever's taking care of these babies is getting overwhelmed. You got babies probably spread out among several places, and they can't even be together with each other. I need you to stop having babies. These men who are having these babies with you ought to recognize that this is not a good situation. Go to the doctor and get on some kind of birth control that you don't have to think about. Something under your skin, IUD, something. Because you keep bringing babies into this world and you're not taking care of them. And when you're pregnant, you can't take your meds. When you're off your meds, we have this situation. You are currently off your meds, which, as I'm reading this email from the gentleman who was on the treatment team, it's clear you weren't on your meds. So, ma'am, this is going to keep happening. You keep getting pregnant. You keep going off your meds because you're pregnant. You keep having babies that you're not taking care of. And then while you're off your meds, I see you. Go to the doctor and get you something that's going to stop you from having these babies. Because I think you're doing it as a comfort to yourself. But these babies aren't here for you. You're supposed to be there for them. You're having babies because it makes you feel good. And it is a comfort for you. But think about what happens every time you have a baby. How many of your children are with you? Huh? 3? You have 3 kids with you. What you think is going to happen with this baby? Ms. McKnight, I need you to think about yourself and the fact that you need to stay on your meds. And every time you get pregnant, you go off your meds and you see me. That's why I know how many babies you got. This has been a cycle ever since I got on state court. Take a breath. Breathe. And if I put you in jail, who takes care of those babies?
At Vistaprint, we print everything to show off your brand. So you can print it like Simon's Restaurant and outfit.
I need you to stay on your meds so you can stay out of jail. You got me?
Yes, ma'am.
But if you don't stay on your meds, you can't stay out of jail. If you don't stay out of jail, then what are those babies doing? The 3 that you've got with you. You got to stop just having babies. When do you think it's going to be enough?
Yeah.
That's what you said the last time.
I mean it.
You said that the last time.
I mean it. I mean it. I mean it.
Breathe, Miss McKnight. I know being a mom is important to you, and I'm not trying to denigrate that. But what I want you to understand is you got to be a mom to the babies you already have. You got to stop having new babies thinking that's going to fix it. Okay? Give her some more tissue, please. The reason you came in talking so fast when you came in is because I know your situation. And you were trying to head me off before I got deep into what's going on with you. But I know. But you're going to keep having these situations if you're not on your medicine. And if you're not on your medicine, then you can't take care of the kids you have. But every time you get pregnant, you go off your medicine, and then we have the same situation again. It's a cycle. The only way to stop that is you got to stop getting pregnant and you got to stay on your meds so you can take care of the kids you already have.
Yes, ma'am.
Breathe. Mr. Cash, do you have a recommendation for Ms. McKnight?
Oh, Your Honor, I do.
Everything off the
Your Honor, my first recommendation
one in there somewhere.
to do 15 days in jail and closure.
No.
In light of the fact that she has not enrolled in family violence as she was court ordered to do.
I did enroll.
Yeah, she enrolled, but I got the email that you included from the person who she basically abused by going there and cussing them out.
I will go ahead and recommend that that we return her back to probation, give her an opportunity to see if she can enroll in family violence.
No, you know what? If she comes back to probation, she's going to have to do a mental health eval and get back on her meds. Ms. McKnight,
Yes, ma'am.
there's got to be some kind of mental health medication they can give you while you're pregnant.
I know it. I'm gonna go get it.
You're going to have to present to Mr. Cash every month that you are on your medications with a doctor's certificate.
Okay. But what about the classes?
What about what?
Right now. And then baby daddy just leave me. So
Miss McKnight, breathe, stop, because I can't understand you when you're like this. Just breathe until you can talk to me.
She is asking about the family violence intervention program that she was court ordered to do. I think financially she's not. I think
Mr. Cash, we might suspend that. Miss McKnight has been through FVIP probably more times than most people. Miss McKnight, I need you to be medically compliant. So you're going to go to your doctor within 3 days of leaving here, 5 days, and you're going to talk to them about getting back on your.
To see if they call your name. And see what they say. You don't know what they say.
Miss Anderson.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry.
Yeah, mute, please. You all over my hearing, and you're supposed to be here in person. I don't know why you're on this hearing. All right. So, Miss McKnight, I'm going to return you to probation.
Get online in minutes. Web.com's AI Builder makes it easy. Simply tell us some info.
You're going to see your doctor within 5 days of today. You're going to show proof of mental health medicine compliance every 2 weeks. Until your probation ends. Now that means you're going to have to go to your doctor. You're going to have to make sure you got the shot or whatever it is they're giving, but you're going to have to make sure you are taking it. You understand? I know you are pregnant, but there are medicines that you can take while you are pregnant. You understand?
yes, ma'am.
Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am. May I speak on?
Yes, ma'am.
I understand this. So my OBGYN that I go to, her name is Dr. King. I can call her and speak with her.
Okay, well, I need you to go to Dr. King.
That's my OBGYN that I go to.
He can prescribe medicines that'll go well with your pregnancy. But Miss Miss McKnight, you cannot keep bringing babies into this world thinking it's going to fix whatever the problem is. It's not.
Yes, ma'am.
And you keep bringing babies in here that you're not taking care of. And that's not fair to the babies.
It's not that I'm not taking care of. Like, I do buy them things. I do.
Babe, Miss McKnight, you understand what I'm saying. You know exactly what I'm saying. These babies deserve to come into a stable family, and you're not there yet. Not that you won't ever get there, but you're not there now.
Yes, ma'am.
All right? Breathe. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
But please.
Okay, so we're gonna stop it there. Miss Hayward only gonna plead with her a little bit more. Now, out of 7 years, she says she's been seeing this young lady. How many times she had this conversation with her? Several times, and you clearly see that she's dealing with a mental issue. But there's nothing wrong with her body because she keeps having babies. But guess what? Out of the 7 kids, she only got 3. 3 is not with her, and she having the 4th. And she's on probation. Miss Hayward could put her in jail, and guess what? If she put her in jail, then she won't have none. This is a sad set of circumstances. But nonetheless, this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, subscribe as we'll be coming to you more videos in the future. And once again, we'll see you in the next video.